Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Sphere with Neha. Let's learn some synonyms which help you to improve your communication. So, whenever you speak or write, try to use that synonym in daily life. You will be able to learn quickly. So, let's learn synonym. First word is happy. So, synonyms are glad, joyful, cheerful, pleased. And second word is sad. Synonyms are unhappy, gloomy, upset, miserable. Third word is big. So synonyms are large, huge, massive, and giant. And next word is small. Small synonyms are tiny, little, mini, petite. Next, smart, intelligent, clever, bright, and we can use wise as well. Beautiful. So, synonyms are pretty, lovely, attractive, and gorgeous. We use mostly gorgeous. So, next word is angry. Angry means gussa. So, synonyms are mad, furious, irritated, and annoyed. Next word is tired. So, exhausted, fatigued, sleepy, and weary. So, next word is easy, simple, we can say effortless, smooth, and straightforward. Next word is hard, it's a difficult, tough, challenging, and complicated. Synonyms. And next word is good. We know very well. So we can use synonyms are nice, fine, excellent, and great. Next word is bad. Poor, awful, terrible, or horrible. We know bad or poor, but awful, terrible, and horrible is good to use. And strong, next word. So synonyms are powerful, sturdy, tough, and robust. Next word is weak. So fragile, feeble, delicate, and frail. Next word is talk. So speak, chat, converse, and communication. Okay, so next word is work, job, task, duty, and assignment. Next word is friend, buddy, pal, mate, and companion. We also use companion. So I hope you like that video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like that video. Thank you so much.